Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Roblox updates. Roblox typically updates automatically, ensuring you always have the latest features and bug fixes. However, understanding the update process can be helpful for troubleshooting or when a manual refresh is needed. We'll cover how updates work across different devices and what to do if you encounter any issues. A stable internet connection is crucial for a smooth and quick update experience. Most Roblox updates happen seamlessly in the background. On personal computers and Macs, the Roblox player updates itself when you launch a game. For mobile users, whether on iOS or Android, updates are managed through your device's respective app store. Xbox consoles also handle Roblox updates automatically through their system settings. These updates are often small, frequently less than 50 megabytes, and download very quickly. If you need to manually update Roblox, there are a few simple steps. For personal computers, a common solution is to uninstall the Roblox player completely, then reinstall it from the official Roblox website. Mobile users should visit their device's app store, search for Roblox, and manually check for any available updates. Clearing your browser's cache and cookies can also resolve website-related update problems. Sometimes, a simple device restart can fix minor glitches. To ensure a consistently smooth Roblox experience, always download the application from the official Roblox website or trusted app stores. It's also wise to maintain sufficient storage space on your device, as updates require a small amount of room. Keeping your operating system up to date helps ensure optimal compatibility with the latest Roblox versions. If you encounter persistent update issues, don't hesitate to report them directly to Roblox support for expert assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.